My brain cells versus the syllabus and MS origin story. Picture this. Freshman year, trying to find philosophy 101. My legs decided to give up. They were done. They're on vacation in Tahiti, without me. I'm doing a weird, slow-motion shuffle. People are staring. College feels like it was designed by someone who enjoys watching students squirm. Professors who speak in riddles. It's a lot. You're battling the curriculum and your own body. It's a unique brand of chaos. I've cried into a textbook. I've accidentally called a professor mom. We're an exclusive club of resilient, slightly clumsy superheroes. We deserve to laugh about the absurdity of it all, because sometimes, if you don't laugh, you'll just start weeping in the library. Grab that oversized hoodie, get snacks. We're about to embark on a hilarious journey through college life with MS. I'll share ridiculous moments and useful tips. Think of me as your slightly unhinged, overly caffeinated guide. We'll talk about surviving, thriving, and finding humor when your brain feels like scrambled eggs. It's going to be a blast. Probably. No guarantees. The axis of evil: exams, social whirlwinds, and deadline doom. Let's talk about the unholy trinity of college stress: exams, social life, and deadlines. First up, exams. Oh, the joy. It's that magical time when you try to download an entire semester's worth of information into your brain in one night. It's like a mental Olympics, but you haven't trained and the equipment is faulty. Then there's the glittering, often elusive social life. College is supposed to be about making friends, going to parties, having experiences, but MS fatigue doesn't care about your social calendar. The fear of missing out is real, but so is the need to just lie down. And let's not forget deadlines. Those beautiful, terrifying dates that loom over you like a very judgmental cloud. These aren't just small hurdles, my friends. These are the major boss battles of the college video game. And MS is like that annoying little brother who keeps changing the difficulty setting to nightmare mode when you're not looking. But here's the secret. We're MS warriors. We're used to playing on hard mode. It doesn't mean it's easy or fair, but it does mean we're tougher than we think. And maybe a little bit crazier. In a good way, mostly. My secret weapon? The power nap and other slightly unhinged tips. Alright, let's get to the good stuff: survival strategies. My #1 non-negotiable life-saving tip? Embrace the power nap. Seriously. Naps are not a sign of weakness. Naps are a superpower, especially when your energy levels are as predictable as a toddler on a sugar rush. A strategic nap can be the difference between functioning human and incoherent zombie. Master the art. It's crucial. You need to become a nap connoisseur. Scout out the best napping locations on campus. Beyond the glorious nap, there are other MS-specific hacks. Cooling gear is your best friend. A cooling towel, a small fan, a vest that makes you look like you're about to defuse a bomb, whatever works. And here's a big one: disability services. Use them, please. It's not cheating, it's leveling the playing field. Extended time on exams? Yes, please. A note taker for when your hands are too shaky or your brain is too foggy? Absolutely. These resources are there for a reason. Advocating for yourself is a skill, and college is a great place to practice it. Don't be shy. Your well-being is worth it. It's not asking for special treatment, it's asking for an equal opportunity to succeed. And celebrate the tiny victories. Remembered where you put your keys? Amazing. Spelled definitely right on the first try? You're a certified genius. Acknowledge your efforts because you're doing a lot. Most importantly, be kind to your brain. Some days the fog is just going to win, and that's okay. It doesn't mean you're failing. It means your MS is being a bit of a diva that day. Allow yourself grace. Take a break. Go for a short walk if you can. Sometimes stepping away is the most productive thing you can do. Another slightly weird but effective trick: talk to yourself, or your pet, or an inanimate object. Seriously. Explaining a concept out loud, even to your long-suffering rubber ducky, forces your brain to process it differently. If the duck looks confused, you probably need to review the material again. Or maybe your duck is just very judgmental. Visual aids are also a lifesaver. Sticky notes. So many sticky notes. My apartment looked like a deranged craft project exploded. Color coding everything helps too. Make your study materials look like a unicorn threw up on them. Let's talk about the dreaded cog fog. That delightful MS symptom where your brain feels like it's been replaced with cotton candy. Delicious, yes, but not super helpful for writing a thesis on postmodern literature. My go-to strategy is breaking everything down into ridiculously small pieces. Instead of write essay, it's open laptop. Then write one sentence. Then reward self with chocolate. Baby steps are key. Wow, you're still reading. You must either be really bored or you genuinely find my chaotic college tales somewhat relatable. Either way, high five. So, if you're picking up what I'm putting down, if my struggles resonate with your own MS journey through the academic jungle, then please, oh please, hit that subscribe button. Go on, give it a little click. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up. It costs you nothing. It makes the mystical internet algorithms happy and helps more amazing MS warriors find this content. Do it for Professor Fluffernutter's fragile feline ego. We appreciate you more than words can say. You're navigating college, which is a beast in itself, and you're doing it with MS, which is like trying to tame that beast while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. You are, by definition, a rock star. Even if most days you feel more like a slightly damp, confused sock. That's okay. Most superheroes have an alter ego that's a bit of a mess. Remember, laughter is potent medicine. Maybe not as potent as your actual prescribed medicine. Please take that. But humor can get you through some seriously tough times. Learn to laugh at the absurdity of it all. Like when you use your cane to dramatically gesture during a presentation, or when you fall asleep in the library and wake up with an imprint of the textbook on your face. These are the stories that build character and make for great content later. Every assignment you manage to submit, even if it's 5 minutes before the deadline, is a win. Every time you advocate for yourself with a professor or disability services, you're building an invaluable skill. Be proud of those moments. Even if your biggest achievement some days is just putting on pants, that counts too. So keep going, my fellow MS warriors. Keep pushing, keep adapting, keep finding joy in the small things, and please keep laughing, especially at yourself. We're all just doing our best to figure things out, one wobbly step at a time. Stay tuned for more adventures, more questionable advice, and more reasons to smile from yours truly. You've got this, probably. And if not, at least we can complain about it together.
Now go forth and conquer, or at least find your classroom.